Welcome to Sahadhyana. In this video, let us see three numericals which had appeared in GATE electrical paper. So the first question is, if the 12 ohm resistor draws a current of 1 amps as shown in the figure, what is the value of the resistance R? The options are 4, 6, 8 and 2. This had appeared in GATE 2010 electrical paper. So in this figure, if you observe, the current source is 2 amps. So the 2 amps current gets divided at this particular junction. The current through 12 ohms is given 1 amps. So obviously the current through this resistor R is 1 amps. Okay, the voltage across this is 1 into R. Similarly, the voltage across this 12 ohm resistor is 12 volt. So if you apply KVL to this particular loop, okay, we can get what is the value of the resistance R. So we will apply KVL to this loop. So we get -12 minus 1 into R minus 6 equal to 0. So 12 minus 6 is equal to R, or R is equal to 6 ohms. So the correct option is 6 ohms. So the value of R is 6 ohms. Next is, in the circuit given, what is the value of the current I? Okay, it had appeared in GATE 2008 electrical paper. The options are 0.31, 1.25, 1.75 and 2.5. So we have to find what is the value of I. So to find this value of I, first what we do is we consider the loop currents in this as I1. Okay, this loop current we will treat it as I2. This I2 is nothing but equal to I. So first we'll apply KVL to loop 1. Okay, we'll take this as loop 1. This is loop 2. So first we apply KVL to loop 1. So if we apply KVL to loop 1, it becomes 5 minus I1 equal to 0, or 5 minus 2I1 equal to 0, or I1 is equal to 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5 amps. So we have got I1 as 2.5 amps. So the potential at this point is A. Okay, so we will find VA. What is VA? VA will be 1 into I1. So 1 into I1 is 1 into 2.5, which is 2.5 volts. Similarly, we will find what is VB. To find VB, we should know what is this current I2. So we apply the KVL, and we have a dependent source here. So if we apply KVL to loop 2, what we get is 4 VAB. Okay, this is plus, this is minus 3I2 minus I2 equal to 0, or it implies 4 VAB is equal to 4 I2, or I2 is nothing but VAB. I2 is nothing but VAB. So we have got I2 equal to VAB. So what is VAB? VAB is nothing but VA minus VB. Okay. So what is VB? VB is 1 into the current, which is I2. 1 into I2, which is I2 is nothing but VAB. So VB is nothing but VAB. Okay. VB is nothing but VAB. So what we do is, in the place of VAB, in this particular expression, instead of VAB, we substitute VB. So this equation we can write it as VB equal to VA minus VB, or VA is nothing but 2 VB, or VB is equal to VA by 2. VB is equal to VA by 2. So what is VA? VA is 2.5. So 2.5 by 2 is 1.25 volts. So VB, if it is 1.25 volts, VB is nothing but equal to I2, right? VB is nothing but equal to I2. I2 will become 1.25 amps. I2 is equal to VB. So I2 equal to 1.25 amps. So I2 is nothing but equal to I. So I is equal to 1.25 amperes. So the second option B is the right one. 1.25 amps is the current I. The last question is, so we have been provided with a circuit. We have to find what is the value of the voltage source. So this is the voltage source. We have to find its value. So the current source is given, which is 1 amps. The current which is flowing through this source is given, which is 2 amps. So to find the voltage source, what we do is we apply KVL to this loop. So to apply KVL to this loop, we should know the voltage across 6 ohm this resistor as well as 6 ohm this resistor. So let us find it first. So for that, the current which is 1 amps which is flowing here, the voltage drop across this will be 1 into 10, which will be 10 volts. Okay, and here the current flowing through this will be 2 into 6, which is 12 volts. So this will be 12 volts. So what is the current flowing through this? 1 amps and 2 amps. So total it is 3 amps. So current flowing through this 3 into 6 is 18 volts. So let us write this voltage source as Vs. So to find this voltage source, which is Vs, we apply KVL to this loop. So if we apply KVL to the loop, we get Vs minus 12 minus 18 equal to 0, or Vs is equal to 12 plus 18, which is equal to 30 volts. So the voltage source value is equal to 30 volts. So we have got the answer. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. For more videos on the gate papers, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.